Welcome to all. See, we are nearing the end of engineering mechanics. Total engineering mechanics covered in 5 parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Part 5. What are those parts? See in the playlist or in the YouTube you can see it. So, now, today's class is engineering mechanics, class number 361. And we are in the part 5. Part 5 is analysis of statically determinate pin-jointed plane frames. Then, today's is lecture 44. Now, make a note. Lecture 44 for part 5. Note, last lecture number 40, not 44, lecture number 43, okay. That is class number. Last class, same. Class number 360, lecture 43, question number 51. That was the last question for method of sections in detail. Detail means everything told, systematically solved. And note, before that one, earlier, method of joints completely covered. So, with the last class, that is lecture 43, with question 51, analysis of pin-jointed plane frames by both method of joints and method of sections are completely over. Now, as usual, see, you might have seen earlier in support reactions or earlier some in centroid and moment of inertia, I have given plenty of exercises. So, now onwards, exercise questions. Exercise or some people call homework or for you to do it. Something I will tell in the class. What you have to do in the, see, I will write the question here. I won't try to waste time here. In the question I will dictate. For example, I will dictate here. For the given pin-jointed plane frame, find axial forces in all the members. That way I will dictate. You should write it. And furthermore important, why these exercises are required? See, we have solved plenty of questions. Some of them are very lengthy. But if you go to academic examination or competitive examinations, any type, such a lengthy questions may not be given. But see, lengthy questions gives you complete grip. But short questions will be given. So, in the exercises, see here, I am starting from simple questions. Very simple. See, basic triangle, one question. Very simple question. Slowly, I will go further. Every class, what I will do is, question I will write here. Support reaction, sketch for support reaction, if required, I will put somewhere here. Then I will go to star sketch. Nobody, see, in the method of joint, it is star sketch. In the method of sections, it is reference for method of sections. If anybody got confusion about this one, you are not going through all my classes. Those who are going through all my classes, they will have complete control. And moreover, one more thing, such small questions, see, this is a very small question, little bigger will be there. So many questions will be there. They are very useful for objective type competitive examinations and also remember, and also academic examination and also academic examination. Spelling problem, I think. Okay, no problem. Academic, okay. Academic. Sometime, okay. Academic examinations, okay. They are very, very important. And so many things are covered. Now I will not talk anything. Minimum talking I will do. You will get the question with answer. That's what is called exercise. Actually, exercise means question, no reaction, nothing, no hint, nothing, direct answer. No, I will not give that way because by chance if you make a small mistake in reaction calculation or some angles, somewhere if you make a small mistake, you are wasting your time. See, suppose there's someone little medium type of question. You make mistake in the reaction. Then you continue with the wrong reactions. Or you make a mistake in applying trigonometry and getting some dimensions. You continue the wrong values. What will happen? Your effort is wasted. So that's why I will give brief hint. But some of the questions, I will give direct answer. Okay, now much I will not talk. Today I will take, see, question 51 was last time, now 52. See, 52 here, solution is here. 53 here, solution is here. I won't waste time, solution. When first I'll put exercise question 52, then I put question 52, understood, it is solution for this question. That much common sense is required. Okay, now, as I told earlier, I am recovering quite well. The problem of fever has gone now, but little coughing is there. So, see, therefore, today I will limit. So many of my students, they told, sir, please take care of your health, sir. Class you postpone. I told no. Maybe little shorter duration. So what I will do is, today 52, 53, then 2 more questions, second round I will give. I will stop there. Enough for today. Next time onwards, more questions. Plenty of questions. And remember, by the time the exercise questions are over, question number, I am so sure, will cross 100. Nowhere you can see so many questions. I am covering all the type of questions. Okay, everything. But one thing, what all I told earlier, you have to go through. Suddenly if you come here, if you get doubt, you have to blame yourself only. You are not serious. Unless you become serious, dedicated, and hardworking, and put full effort, you cannot get the maximum knowledge from my class. So I told, my class is always meant for those who are very much dedicated. Okay, start now. Question 52, see, sometimes ABC I may not give. If I am not given here, you write ABC here. So ABC is not a problem. See here. Question 52, exercise question. This is the first question. Question is question 52 and also question 53. For both of them, see, I am dictating some questions, I will dictate. Question 52, question 53, little later, today's class, question 54 and question 55. For all the questions, question is, for the given pin-jointed plane frame, find axial forces. See, I never call force. Technically wrong. It is not called force. It is called axial force. Like bending moment and moment, they are different. But 90% people will tell moment. No, you should not give respect to subject. Do not call bending moment as moment. Same way, do not call axial force as force. Force is something else. See, axial force, see here. Compression, tension. That is little later, when I enter strength of material, my first class will be eye-opener. Remember, it will be eye-opener. Eye-opener for majority of people. All those people who were thinking of wrong concept, very sorry, so many are teaching also wrong concept. I will advise them, correct at least now. See, if you make a mistake, correct it. Eye-opener. One class I will upload, it is introduction to strength of materials. But remember, it will be a very, very powerful class. Okay, leave it now. Start. Question over. Question 52, 53, 54, 55. Question is, find axial forces in all members for the given pin-jointed frame. Okay, start. 52. See, question 52. 1 minute. See here. Perfect. See, 65 degrees, 65 degrees. So, this is isosceles triangle. And these are simple support. See, usually in the pin-jointed frame, one hinge, one roller given. But rare cases, they can give simple support. But if they give simple support, they should not give horizontal forces. See, here, horizontal force is there, hinge roller required. Here, so if they give simple support, they should give only what? Vertical loading. Okay, that all I told earlier. So this is simple support. Okay, here 65 degrees, 65 degrees. Therefore, what you do is, see, you don't waste time, directly go to star sketch. How? Mark here, see, now I am doing things, see, I am showing pin here, pin. This is a pin, connected pin, this is support. See, directly write. Due to symmetry, you can do one thing, you make the point A here, make it B and make it C. Write a statement. Due to symmetry, perfect symmetry, vertical reaction at A equal to vertical reaction at B equal to total, both of them are assumed to be upward, equal to total downward load divided by 2. Total downward load is only one load, 20 kN, divided by 2. See, that's how I got 10 kilonewton without showing calculation. Therefore, see, this length is not given, it is not required. It is not required. Okay, over. Now, ready. Now to one thing. Now it is your problem. Start. Over. Now I am entering calculation part. 65 degrees, yes, correct. 11.034. Answer. Over. My work is over. See. I told star sketch you enter. You should know correctly the pattern, how I am solving earlier. See, and one more thing, instead of wasting time, you write here, all axial forces are in kilonewton. I don't want to waste right space here. 11.034. 034. Here. Here also 11.034. And this member force 4.663. 4.663 is the force. Over. That's all. Over. Question is over. Now do one thing. See, axial force is compression, tension. That you write yourself only. Okay. Now, question 53. See here. Question 53. See here. One hinge, one roller. As usual, hinge, vertical reaction, horizontal reaction, roller, reaction perpendicular to the plane. Since it is horizontal, first of all, I should not tell all these things now. Too late, sorry. It is told thousands of times. So, RB equal to BB. Now you require moment. See. But see, they told 50, here 65, 65, 55, 55. Once again, isosceles triangle. Now, see here. To take moment about A, minus VB into this length. That length is not known. Okay. Take that length as L. You write here. Let AB equal to L. See. Let length AB equal to L. Some disturbance is there, sound disturbance. AB equal to L. If this is L, see, if I project this point here, see, light line if I project here, both will be L by 2, L by 2. 1 minute, some disturbance is there outside. Okay, I told some sound disturbance, some vehicle, car horn problem, siren I think it was. Okay, now, I told just now, I think I told you, if I project light line here, this will be L by 2, L by 2. See, this length is not known, take L. See, let AB equal to L, L by 2, L by 2. Now, see, when you take moment about this point, minus VB into L, okay, plus 40 into L by 2, and minus 20 into this height. So, therefore, this height required. So, what you do is, length is not known, get the height also in terms of L. See, how to get it now? See, first of all, these are all already over hundreds of times. See correctly what I am doing. You consider this triangle. See here, this triangle. tan 55, see this is 55 degrees, this is 55 degrees. Tan 55 equal to height h divided by L by 2. That will give h equal to 0.7141 L. Okay. Now take moment about A. Take moment, see, minus VB into L plus 40 into L by 2 minus 20 into h is 0.7141 L. This 8 into 0, L will cancel, you get the value of VB. Sigma V0, you get the value of VA. Sigma H0, you get the value of HA. Enter the answer. See, all three came positive. So, what direction I assumed? Same, black because it is already known to you. Okay, now, that also over. Now start. Now start calculating, over. Now see, this is your star sketch. Nobody should ask what is star sketch. Hundreds of times I told. You go to every class earlier, see why you used to tell in method of joint what is star sketch and how to proceed. Everything was explained so many times. Okay, start. Now I will give answer for you. (34.282) divided by sin 55. 41.851. 41.851 kilonewton into cos 55 is 24.0 something, then minus 12. 12.00005. See, this force over. 12.005. Okay, come here. P. 5.718 divided by sin 55. 6.980. These all you don't bother. You solve systematically. 6.980. See, I already told you decimal 0.001, 0.002 has nothing to worry into cos 55. Perfectly tallying over 4. 4 plus another 4 and 8 is 12. Perfectly tallying over. So this will complete question number 53. Now I will rub the board and go to next questions 54 and 55. Just a minute. Okay, now 2 more questions. I am winding up today. I told the reason for you. 54, 55. See, hinge here, roller here. Hinge here, roller here. One horizontal load, that's all, nothing else. So, start. See, I already told you this angle is 60 degrees given in the question. This also 60 degrees. So, I told if I project this point here, this will be L by 2. Okay, now mark reaction here. VB, VA, HA. Okay, start. Take moment. See, this height will come. See, this triangle you have to consider. Tan 60 equal to height divided by L by 2. See, question mark means you have to get the answer, not wrong. In my class, if I put a question mark, it means you have to get the answer. Okay, start. Minus VB into L plus 12 into height H in terms of L equal to 0. VB will come 10.392 plus 10 point. I already calculated. Why? Time saving. 392 kilonewton. Sigma V0, VA will come minus 10.392 kilonewton. Sigma H0, HA will come minus 12 kilonewton. Okay. Now go to star sketch. See, I told once everything is over, this is your star sketch. Enter here. See, VB upward, correct. Enter the answer. VA we took upward, negative came downwards. HA you took right side, negative, left side, over. Now find the forces. Okay. Axial forces. Okay. Now 1 minute. I will get a stretch only. Come to this question. That is pending. See. Question number 55. See, today's class all are isosceles triangles. Next class I will change 60 degrees, 50 degree, right angle. So many questions are there. Some of them are very important for competitive examinations. Okay, start. See here. One inclined load given. They told 1.5 and 4. So for this inclined force with the horizontal, angle will be tan theta equal to 1.5 by 4. Get the angle. See, this angle you have to get it. Get the angle. Then resolve it. Horizontal component, vertical component, I entered here. A roller, vertical reaction. B hinge, vertical reaction, horizontal reaction. Now, take moment about B. Why B? Where more unknown is there? See here. Plus VA into L minus 21.067 into L by 2 minus 56.180 into height. So get the height in terms of L. I written the answer here. Your VA will come, VB will come, and HB will come. See, VA came positive, so correct, enter the same direction. VB came negative, enter opposite. HB got positive, enter the same. Now, ready for calculation, I will do my duty now. That is, getting the answer for this question. Okay. So, calculator problem. 11.9996 is 12. Okay. It's actually 12. Oh, it should be 12. Y means you don't bother. It should be 12. Okay. Then this force. 12 into cos 60 is 6, right? Left side. 6 kilonewton. This also 12. Over. Question is over. Huh? One minute. No. Something wrong. Something wrong. See here. I should not hurry actually. See. I should be extremely, see, in a hurry I put it. No, I can make out immediately. See, I saw the equilibrium here. Suddenly I got no equilibrium. I can make out, nothing to worry. I thought reaction is upward, reaction is downward. That's why it came that way. Okay, over that question. Nothing is that 12, 6 plus 12. 12 is correct. Okay, now come here, this question. Sine 50 degrees. 57.452. 57.452. If it is not visible, I am dictating 452. Cos 50. 36.9296. 36.930. 36.930. This joint. 22.944 divided by sine 50. 29.951. 951 into cos 50 is 19 point something plus another 36.930 is 56.182. Okay, 1.001 error is there. That I am helpless. Okay, no problem. See, 0.001, 0.002. Sometime light what happens is some number 5 looks like 6 here. That all don't make issue. And I will tell one more thing. Exercise question, I will be careful. In case by chance anywhere if answer is not tallying, let me know in the comment section. Comments you can write. I will correct it, and immediately in the description I will correct it. See, I told you, technical mistake will not be there. Calculation mistake, sometime old calculator, observation mistake, spelling mistake, because I am not English, my mother tongue is not English. Whatever English I talk, some rare cases I get doubt about spelling. Is it C or S? C or S? I will write whatever I feel like. Nobody comes to my class for spelling problem. They come to learn the subject here. Okay. Everything is over. That's all today. I will close now. Go through all these questions. All are simple. Next time onwards, marathon questions will start. Okay. Next time we will meet you. Thank you.